Hi guys, it has been a while since I vlogged. I don't know what the last time I vlogged was, but it is Wednesday and I just got home from school a few minutes ago. But today is kind of the day that I need to get a lot of stuff done for this weekend because I'm going to playlist. I leave on Friday, but tomorrow I have school, then I go straight from school to dance, and then I go straight from dance to see Infinity War, which I'm very excited about. I've had tickets for like so long and I'm very excited to see it. But I just really quickly wanted to show you guys a package from Forever 21 that I just got in the mail. So I ordered a few things for festival season and playlist this weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna wear any of them to playlist, but I got this top. Looks like this. It's very cute. Basically Australian. It's really cute. It's very cropped. It's not as cropped as I thought it was gonna be, but it is a small and it was $12.90. And then I also got this like red burgundy-ish mesh top. It's like this, very mesh, but really glittery and sparkly. And it's a small, and it was $8.90, and that's all I got. I just want to show you guys, I just want to show you guys those two things. And then also later today, I believe I'm going to get the G7X. So I'm very excited, so I'm going to vlog that and then switch the vlog over to my new professional vlog camera. And I'm very excited, and I'm getting it just in time for playlist, and I'm just so excited, and yay. Okay. Alright, I'll see you later. Update time. I got my eyebrows done. They're looking a little whack. The lady filled them in a little bit dark, but it's fine. My face is red, and we're going good. Okay. Yeah, my face is really red. Let me just fix that. Hold up, everybody, because we have an exciting segment. Okay. So my face is still pretty red, but and my eyebrows are a little bit too dark, but oh well. Look at what I got. Can you believe this? Like I just feel like I want to like. I've been saving up for this for 5 years, something like that. So just a disclaimer, I saved up for this camera with all of my own money. You can literally ask all my friends and my entire family. Like, I've been saving every single penny. I literally emptied a jar of coins and counted every single cent and every single penny to see if I can get this. So it took me a long time, but I finally saved up the $750 that I needed. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys and myself because I'm super excited, and I just feel very official and very like vlogger status. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna, like, I was thinking about doing like daily vlogging on my vlog channel this summer because I feel like that would be just so much fun. And now that I have like a motivation to use this, because my other vlog camera I wasn't really motivated to use it because it was just like bleh. But this one's so official and I'm just very excited, so I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I don't know where I'm gonna put, because right now I'm literally using my phone to vlog because I sold my old vlog camera, as I told you guys. But yeah, I got this just in time for summer and playlist live and VidCon, and I'm just so excited. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down here because yeah, that's the only place I can find to put my camera. We have just like the warranty, the stuff, the manual that's like bigger than my math textbook. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so here's the battery that I need to put in. Does it come with them? No, that's a little like things. We have the battery, the charger, and then this little thing, and then this is the camera. Oh my gosh, Camera looks like this. I feel like literally so official. Can you believe this is mine? Look at this. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna put this battery in. Let's see. I don't know if it comes pre-charged or not. Okay, so it's asked me to set it up, so I'm gonna go set it up and I'll check back with you guys in a sec, and I'm gonna switch over to this vlog camera to finish vlogging. I'm on my vlog camera. This is so weird that it's mine. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to use it this, what is that called? Weekend at playlist. So here we are. Here it is. Let's look at it. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm so like, I have to be so gentle with it. Look at that. Hi guys, so a little bit of some updates. I finished filming a main channel video. What time is it? It is 6:42. I just finished filming a main channel video, and then I edited a vlog that I uploaded to my vlog channel. You can look at it right here. Let's see. This is what it is. It's a mountain house tour. It's one of my vlogs from Park City, and it's the only vlog that I'm uploading from Park City because after I finished filming that vlog there, let's see, I'm getting used to this whole G7X thing. After I filmed that vlog, I kind of like stopped vlogging for the trip because I wanted to like focus on enjoying the trip and making memories and stuff like that. So I did just upload that even though it's like a week late, and edited it, uploaded it to the vlog channel instead of the main channel. And now I'm going to get some laundry done, and then I have to pack for Playlist Live because I do not have time to pack tomorrow, and then I leave Friday after school. So I'm going to pack for Playlist Live, film that, and then probably end this vlog. And then yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm just yay. I hate me, I'm so like extra, but whatever. How do you like my camera?
Good. I like a G7X.
Yeah, isn't it nice? Mm-hmm. Look, it can like focus on different things. Maybe not. Isn't that so exciting?
Yes.
Wait, look, Cameron broke his foot.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that, oh, I'm so sorry.
My favorite brother. Oh. Who's that? Who's that? Oh,
That's mine.
that's Dad, right?
No, it's my camera.
So, I need to film another video.
You do need to film
My
another video.
subscribers are waiting.
They are.
Go subscribe. Right there.
Bye, Cam.
Bye. Can you help me with the dishes?
Yes. Finally finished putting away my laundry, so now I'm going to pack for Playlist Live. Okay, so I'm gonna finish packing for Playlist and then check in with you guys when I finish that. Hi guys, so it is like 10:45 p.m. and I'm ending this vlog here. I hope you guys like this vlog. Subscribe to my vlog channel to see a lot of new vlogs coming since I just got this brand new camera, and also subscribe to my main channel to see vlogs on there because I'm going to Playlist Live tomorrow. So there's gonna be vlogs from Playlist on the main channel instead of vlog channel because I love posting those on the main channel. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.